Hey everybody, I'm John, the Two-Town Cider House. Today we're gonna make the Bright Burger, a burger with Brightcider cheese sauce. All right, so the first step is turning on our smoker and we'll let it warm up to 450 degrees. And in the meantime, we'll prep everything else for the cheese sauce. I'm gonna put butter in first. Get it set on a nice little simmer here. You don't wanna burn everything. All right, next we're gonna whisk in some flour. There we go, it's nice and consistent. We have some milk. We're gonna just very slowly add this in as we're stirring with a whisk and let it come to a boil and then simmer it. And after that, we're gonna add in the bright cider and we're gonna let that simmer for 2 minutes as well. Ooh, this is getting nice and thick. We're gonna slowly add in Worcestershire, Dijon mustard, garlic powder, smoked paprika, salt, and pepper. All right, when everything is evenly mixed up, grab that delicious cheese and get it in there. Keep on whisking. All right, after washing your hands, you're ready to start mixing seasonings into your ground beef. So we're gonna add some salt first. You can do it to taste or, as a guideline, maybe half a teaspoon. Same thing for the pepper. All right, next we'll add 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. And lastly, the diced onion. And we're ready to mix. So the first objective here is to simply mix in your ingredients so you don't have one burger that is all the salt or all the pepper. Now that everything is mixed, I'm starting to form the meat just by compacting it a little bit. Got the Bob Ross of hamburgers here. Everybody has their way of forming a hamburger. I like to put a little crater right on the top, whatever you want to call it. Grill is 2 temp, our patties are made. It's time to throw them on. 6 minutes per side. The final 3 minutes, you should add your pretzel bun if you like them toasted. All right, next we're going to baste the burgers with some mustard. If you have a friend that doesn't like mustard, tell them to either suck it up or leave it off with one. All right, those look ready for a flip. There we go. Let's get those buns on here for a little bit. Set a timer, you don't want to burn your buns. The buns are toasted. Let's get those off. All right, and let's grab these burgers. All right, everything's off the smoker and now we're ready to build our burger. I'm gonna put a little Dijon mustard on it. Don't forget to give it the shake. Some arugula. Now I'm hungry, so I'm gonna grab the biggest one here. Take the cheese sauce and just start drizzling. All right, townies, it's time to eat. Somebody should probably start eating that burger.